Hey girl, hey, it's layering day. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to be layering the Milk Bar collection. If you guys remember, or if you followed me, I only purchased the minis at first, but I fell in love with the collection. I'm really loving this, you guys. So I decided to go ahead and buy the full size. Let's go ahead and do some layering combos. Candle we're focusing on today is blueberry marshmallow bar. This has sweet blueberries, vanilla, as well as marshmallow. So good. You're really going to have to love gourmands to like this video, because if you're not a gourmand person, or if you don't like smelling like food or desserts, this is not going to be your type of vibe. And believe it or not, a lot of people have an aversion to smelling like food. My mother is one. As I mentioned before, when I'm giving her fragrances, she's like, I don't want to smell like any type of food. And a lot of you in the comments kind of agree. I, on the other hand, love it. Okay. I cannot get enough of this collection, specifically the cake one. This is so good to me. I originally only purchased the small mini sizes, you guys, but I fell in love with the collection. By the time I went back to get the other items, some of them were missing, so I don't have everything of the collection, but I do have the mist, and we're going to be making combos. So let's start with the cake. I have the body wash. Y'all, it's so good. I love it. This is layered vanilla cake, creamy frosting, and rainbow sprinkles. And yes, you can pick up everything from that list in this fragrance, and it's so good. So to layer this, there's so many options. This cake fragrance is such a good base. You can do simple things as adding a buttercream frosting. You guys, adding that simple buttercream frosting to this cake is amazing. It's so good. This time, you guys love the fact that I gave different options for different fragrances. We're going to try to do that again today. Let's just say you don't have the buttercream, but you love the cupcake, and let's say you want to add a little caramel, and you do have cupcake swirl. This Body Fantasies is such a good one, you guys. It's a good cupcake scent, and it has some caramel. It's just really good. It's really sweet. You can definitely add that. Let's say you're into lemon cake and you have a sweet lemon marshmallow fragrance. Empire Victor goes so good with this combination. If you have the new Seven Virtues butter cream, add it. Friend, you will not be disappointed. Okay, that is a vibrant, beautiful, sweet combo that I have been loving. This is Seven Virtues. Now I have the trial size of this one, but yeah, I'm loving it. It's the buttercream haze. It's so good with this. It's so good with the Milk Bar cake. Let's say you have a brown sugar babe oil, sweet honey buckin. This has some cotton candy, red apple, popcorn, caramel, vanilla bean, amber, sandalwood, freesia, and iris. I would add this if you're planning on adding dulzura. If you have dulzura, that also has a cake note in it. It's actually like a buttermilk cake to me. It's buttermilk and it's a little pepper. It's a different type of vibe, but this would definitely go, especially with the brown sugar babe oil sweet honey buckin, because that is the dupe to Cirque du Soleil. So my friend, these are just a few options that you could wear with this cake scent. You could do pistachio cake, as I showed you, lemon cake, blueberry cake. You can just do whatever you like that works for you. These are just some options that you could use in case you haven't thought about them. Really didn't have a clue that I would love this fragrance as much as I do. It's almost my favorite. It's neck and neck with the cake for me. And this is cinnamon sugar pretzel cookie. Oh my goodness. All right, so the body wash, I have it. It has toasted pretzel, cinnamon dusting, and sugared vanilla. So you could layer this so many ways. I've noticed that certain fragrances bring out the pretzel. You could also bring out the cinnamon. It's just your choice. This is your world. Okay, whatever you want to do. I do like adding my brown sugar body oil. This is from Pink. I love this oil. It's just really good to go all over the body. Okay, For this first combination, I decided to add chocolate. Oh my goodness. This is like a Dubai chocolate covered cinnamon sugar pretzel cookie. Oh my goodness, y'all. This Dubai chocolate is so good. I have a hard time putting it down. I picked it up from TJ Maxx, super duper cheap, but it's so chocolatey and it's such a sweet chocolate. I can't even explain it. If you run into it, test it out. But for layering, I really do enjoy it. And don't sleep on this Mo Better. Their oils, y'all, are so good. And this one is like a Hershey chocolate. It says he, her, and she. I don't know, but it's like a Hershey chocolate. Oh my goodness, this combination is so good. Let's say you don't have this, you can add Choco Musk. That'll work. If you have Crumb Couture, friend, please add it. That is going to give you a blueberry cinnamon sugar pretzel cookie, and that pretzel is going to be even more pronounced if you love that cinnamon sugar pretzel note. Yeah, this is such a vibe. I love this scent. It's so versatile. If you have Bear Suede Vanilla, also gorgeous. Just a beautiful, beautiful combination. Say you don't like any of that and you want to enhance the caramel, like the vanilla, the sweetness of this combo, go ahead and add your Stitz. And this is 701. I guess you could do 602, whatever you have. This combo is fire. I love that sweetness. It's so good. Or you may have Vanilla Voyage. Girl, that will work too. Just gorgeous. All of these combos are fire. If you're a mint girly, this is your vibe. I am not truly a peppermint type of person, not really interested in smelling like mint, but this right here, I'm really shocked by. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed this because everybody was talking about the dry down because it has peppermint and chocolate. Let me give you the notes really quickly. This is peppermint chocolate cake, crushed candy cane, and white chocolate. Yeah, and it's giving all of that. That chocolate, that white chocolate is very sweet, very indulgent. I have not worn this combination, but I did test the fragrances to let you guys know which ones I do like. Okay, I'm going to wear it. I just haven't gotten around to it. But friend, as you can see, I don't have the body wash to go to Peppermint Bark Truffle, but I just grabbed Twisted Peppermint. Now, a lot of people were saying that the twisted peppermint is good for sinus issues. It's good for, when you're cold and congested, as well as in the summer, is very refreshing. That's more so why I grabbed this. I don't usually like twisted peppermint. Now, I've had this before. The dry down is nice. It gives more vanilla. So the notes in here are cool peppermint, sugar snow, fresh balsam, and vanilla buttercream. So that buttercream is more pronounced in the dry down. And so now you're going to have buttercream, chocolate, chocolate cake, all the good stuff. All right. So let's get started with some combinations. Let's just make this quick, easy, and simple. Let's just go with the obvious. Let's just go with the obvious. Okay. Dubai chocolate. Love it, love it, love it. Or you could do Choco Musk, the oil as well as the fragrance. Beautiful. These combinations are actually the ones that are very normal, very easy to wear, very quick you can go to, right? All right. Now let's try adding eclair. You could do eclair. If you have eclair, add eclair. That has a beautiful caramel, vanilla type of chocolate embodiments. I really like that combination. Let's say you don't have that, but you do have Kamra Kawa. Let's say you do have Kamra Kawa. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love this combination. I'm smelling the card. Oh yeah, that is nice. You'll really like that one. If you have Kamra Kawa, any type of coffee type of scent, try it. Coffee does something to peppermint and chocolate. Also do the black opium, whatever flankers that you choose. That's a nice combination, but I prefer Kawa. And last but not least, any type of orange or citrus is good with peppermint and chocolate. Okay, so this is my Vosges, and that's beautiful. I really like that combination as well. There are so many options, you guys, and these are just a few for you to try. So next we're going to layer raspberry holiday pie bar. I did not grab this at all at first because I like the pink version better. Y'all know Victoria's Secret came out with the pink, and this is jam cookie, and it has almond butter, fresh raspberry, and powdered sugar. It's so good. But of course, you can layer them together. So the Bath and Body Works, I was able to pick up the body wash, the holiday pie bar, had notes of sugar cookie, raspberry jelly, and toasted almonds. Absolutely love this body wash. So good. So the first thing that I would say we could layer is jam cookie. I hope you guys have time because this fragrance is very versatile. Go ahead and start with the obvious Jewel Avery. This is your vanilla raspberry perfume. This goes so good together. It's absolutely beautiful. Here's my card. It's sweet with a hint of raspberry, but it's more so vanilla and the cookie. I really like this put together. If you have Covered in Roses, put that together. It's kind of giving Delina, but in a sweeter type of way. Also add Blush Cardigan. This has notes of raspberry as well as sweet raspberry, sugar dipped violet, and warm amber. And here's the card. That's really pretty soft with that hint of tartness. This is my miniature Forever Mood She Was Here. And friend, that goes beautifully. That's a really pretty, soft, feminine, elegant type of combination. The raspberry cookie note is just in the background, hovering about, but it's so good. I really like this combo. If you're looking for something unique, berrylicious, add Berry Styles. This is by Sniff. Here's the card. I love it. That's really nice. If you have Kayali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow, add that. Give it a try. That's pretty too. So these are super fun to play around with. There's so many layering combinations you can come up with. Yes, girl, this is all I have of the milk bar cereal milk. I do have the hand sanitizer. I just can't locate it right now. But I do have that. No body wash, no body lotion, no body cream. Okay, but since this is a ice cream type of scent, I would say whipped cream, body butter should do fine. So I'll use the sweet cream whipped shea butter as the body moisturizer. That's one option. Or let me put this here. If you have whipped coconut milkshake, because that has an ice cream note in it as well. This is the vanilla ice cream, toasted coconut, and sugared amber. I did try this together and it does change the fragrance. The whipped coconut milkshake to me takes over, but it's still nice. It can definitely go, and you could also layer that body mist with it. Here is a definite possibility to go ahead and layer together the milk fragrance from the wellness line. You add just a bit of depth if you have vanilla bean and macadamia from Victoria's Secret, or the spice vanilla cream. That's good. What about Gimme S'mores by Banger Beauty by Mary? This is marshmallow and smoked vanilla woods. It smells really, really good. If you have this trio by Sniff, you have to try them together. I actually just tried them individually, but I'm sure they would stack well as well. This is the Berry Styles. I really liked it. I just tried each one with the body mist and loved it. The hazel split is chocolate and banana, and then the extra whip is like whipped cream. Now, with that being said, with the hazel split, you can add banoffee, and this is that banana scent. So this is like your ice cream and bananas. You can add some berries, whatever. You could just kind of make a nice little sundae. For your fragrance, go ahead and try adding commodity milk. That's a whole vibe. Last but not least is the Appres or Appres All Day. Yeah, I have fallen in love with this scent. When I first got it, I was like, it's pretty. But the more that I'm playing with it, it is actually very beautiful. Okay, so the notes in here are sparkling snow, iced peonies, and sugar coated woods. There is definitely a fresh cleanness. It's actually a crisp coolness about it as well. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I have three fragrances that I have been playing with that I really enjoy with this scent. The first one is Givenchy's Irresistible. They almost smell very similar to me. In my opinion, they're kind of giving the same type of vibe. I'm not going to say it's duping that. I'm not going to say it's just like it, but they are very, very similar. So while I was layering these, I really wanted them to kind of keep the integrity of the Appres All Day. This Jimmy Choo gives it a little bit more weight. I wanted to keep the fluffy, airy crispness about it. This does add the heaviest of all the three that I'm about to show you, but it's still not bad. I really wanted those peach notes from this fragrance. But oh my goodness, this is the absolute favorite of the group. This is Britney Spears' Naked Fantasy. You guys, if you have this, please, please, please put them together. All three combinations are really pretty. Don't get me wrong. I like the Givenchy as well. I like the Jimmy Choo. They're just different. They're just different. But this one is something special. The way they combine is very, very beautiful. So you guys know the notes in this one. There's peach. I really wanted the peach. And then there's a cake note. It's just a whole lot going on in Naked Fantasy. Okay, it's a whole lot going on in their fragrance. But when paired with Appres All Day, the combination is extraordinary. It is so beautiful. And this is, in my opinion, friend, it's so beautiful. If you have these, please put them together. So you guys, that's going to be it for today's layering video. I wanted to throw this bonus one in. I have not been doing, my layering videos like I want to for the new fragrances. So I'll throw them in here and there where I can. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what were some of your favorite combinations. What did you wear last week that everyone else needs to know about? Drop it down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.